Hey everyone, I'm standing at the Isotropix booth with Sam and Sebastian, owners and founders of Isotropix, makers of Clarice. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
How are you both doing today? It's not quite Siggraph yet, but it's about to be. How are you feeling about the show that's
Fantastic.
starting?
We are always excited to come at Siggraph
Yeah.
and to meet all the people, all the artists, and show our software.
Oh, that's wonderful. Can you talk a little bit about your software, about Clarice, how you got your start in it, how old it is?
So basically, Sebastian and I worked together for 20 years, so we always work together. And in fact, we have a kind of bit of strange background because we come basically from the industry as an artist. We were working as artists, and after a while, we were kind of upset using the tool, the commercial tool, and we said, okay, we know how to do programming as well, so let's start and create a program and make the program we want to use as artists. And basically, that came up with Isotropix, and we created the company 5 years ago, and now we have 3.0 version of Clarice.
Oh, that's fantastic. And what was it in particular, the tools that you would want to use as an artist? What elements did you integrate into Clarice?
So basically, the main idea is, as an artist, you always want to work on the final image.
Okay.
And basically, on the tool we are working, especially in VFX, big VFX production, we're always working blindly, working with bounding boxes and stuff like that. And our goal was to be able to let the artist work on the final image interactively. And it's basically all the technology we've developed inside Clarice allows the artist to work finally, like it's the dream work, to work basically in the final image and make all the interaction, change lighting, materials, all of that interactively.
And that's for 2D and 3D?
Yeah, it's basically, so today it's mainly oriented as a 3D software, 3D lighting and rendering software. We do also look development. You can do layout, create amazing, fantastic and very rich and complex environments inside Clarice. And we also have a 2D compositing engine. It's not made to replace something like Nuke, for example. It's more to do pre-compositing and see your image in context with all the layered comps.
Okay. Great. And then as far as Clarice 3.0 goes, what's new, what's exciting and fresh about the new update?
So with Clarice 3.0, we bring a brand new rendering engine, which is in fact a physical-based rendering. With the Clarice 2.0, we emphasize most into scene assembly and file referencing, as we're working with big studios. Now with Clarice 3.0, we want to bring Clarice to medium size, to freelancers, and so we leverage the shaders and the rendering engine from big studios like Double Negative, for example, and bring all the science and voodoo magic to the small size studios.
Oh, that's
And
wonderful.
so plus we are bringing tons of new improvements as well in scene assembly, but the main thing is physically based rendering, sorry.
Oh, that's fantastic. Is it already released to the public?
Yeah, it has been released a week ago, and we made it just for Siggraph, and there is a personal learning edition that can be downloaded on our website, www.isotropix.com,
Okay.
and so anybody can experience Clarice 3.0.
That's great. Thank you so much. www.isotropix.com. Definitely check out Clarice 3.0. Thank you so much, Sam and Sebastian. Thank you.
Thank you.